In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change file type in Windows 11, also known as changing a file extension. First, let's quickly talk about what a file extension is and why it matters. A file extension is the short set of letters at the end of a file name, like .jpg, png, .txt, or PDF. It tells Windows which app should open that file, and it also tells you what kind of file you're dealing with. By default, Windows 11 hides these extensions, which can make it confusing if you're trying to change a file from one type to another. So the first thing we need to do is make those extensions visible. On your Windows 11 desktop, open File Explorer. You can click the folder icon on your taskbar, or press the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, look at the top menu and click on the View option. A small menu will open. From there, hover over Show. In that submenu, you'll see an option called File Name Extensions. Make sure that has a check mark next to it. If it doesn't, click it once. As soon as you do this, you'll see that all your files now display their extensions at the end of their names. Now, navigate to the folder that contains the file you want to change. When you find the file, click once on its name to select it. Then click again on the name to rename it, or simply press F2 on your keyboard. Be careful to only change the extension part, which is everything after the dot. For example, if your file is called Picture.jpg and you want to make it a PNG file, you would change .jpg to .png. When you press Enter, Windows will show a warning saying that changing a file name extension might make the file unusable. This is normal. It's basically asking if you're sure. If you know you're changing it to a compatible format, click Yes to confirm. Keep in mind, simply changing the extension doesn't actually convert the content of the file. It only changes how Windows treats it. This works best when the file is already in a format that's compatible with the new extension, or when an application can handle multiple formats. If the file doesn't open correctly after you change it, just rename it again and switch the extension back. Once you're done, you can leave file name extensions visible, which is helpful for future edits. Or go back to the View menu, open Show, and uncheck file name extensions to hide them again.